Yung drum set kanina guys, naisip lang po namin habang nagpi-picture taking kami. No? Sasama namin si Eltrom tapos si Bongo. So sabi ni McCoy, yun nga daw, sign tayo, drum sign. Sabi ko, paano yung drum sign? So siya yung nakaisip. So, how to form the drum sign? First, start with a gun hand sign. Point your index finger and middle finger downward while keeping your thumb extended. Diba? This is your index finger and your middle finger. So dalawa siya guys, no? And then downward, point downward, and then while your thumb, this is your thumb, extended siya. So extended siya. So halimbawa ganito, that's a gun, no? Bugs. Okay. The other one, step 2. Yan, step 2. Twist your fingers. No, twist fingers po. Ay, sundan niyo po ako ha. Number 2, cross your middle finger over your index finger. This represents determination and an unwavering promise. Yes. Dito. This is your middle finger, so dapat naka-over siya dito sa index finger. So, bali, natakpan na yung index finger mo. And like this. Ayan, like this. This one. Okay. Number 3, keep your thumb straight. Oh, like this. This is my thumb. The straight thumb forms the letter T. Ayan, naging T na siya guys. Ayan, ito yung pababa, ito yung pa-side. Letter T na siya. Which stands for thumb. Diba? Okay, so kayo daw po. Step 1, start with a gun hand sign. Gun. No, baril po, gun hand sign. Point your index finger and middle finger downward. Sige kayo daw po. Ayun. And then, okay, nakuha. Number 2, twist your fingers. Okay. Twist nyo po. Dapat ito yung makikita, itong middle finger po, no? Tapos yung index finger nyo po nasa ilalim. And then, number 3, keep your thumb straight. Ito, straight lang siya, guys. Hindi mo siya straight, curve siya. Okay lang yan. O, diba? After nyan, take a selfie. Take a selfie and post your picture sa ating comment section. So, ito guys, after you got it, I got it, yes, sabi ni Tita Marvy. Yes, you are now certified Atrom member. You're now member of Atrom family, guys.
Please subscribe. Role of Malalag.
Racial Morales.
Thank you.